So this is how it looks after the storm, I guess. This is my backyard. Nice. My neighbors. My damn little door. Little alley. Looks like morning, but it's not. It's, I think, 11 o'clock. These big mountains. You see, it's so white outside. Mostly people cleaned already. They should, because I sleep in the morning. No wine for it. This is how it looks. The sky looks like morning, like 8 o'clock in the morning. But it's not. It's 11 o'clock. I think 12, but it's nighttime. So yeah. This is winter for us. It's not cold, so I just got out of my house with a sweater. It's not chilly like the other days. Okay, now I'm cold. Bye then.